Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Joanne, and I'm excited to show you how to use Excel quickly and easily with our helpful video tutorials. Today, we'll learn how to insert the pi symbol and find its exact value in a cell. Let's get started. To enter the pi symbol into an Excel spreadsheet, simply click on the desired cell and type in the letter P. To change the font type to symbol, start by highlighting the desired letter and go to the Home tab. From here, you can select the symbol option from the font drop-down menu. And there we have it. We have created the pi symbol. Also, it is very easy to show the precise value of pi. To enter the value of pi, click on the chosen cell and type an equal sign followed by typing letters pi. Let's select the suggested function, click on it, and then close the brackets without adding anything inside. To finish, press Enter, and the value of pi will appear in this cell. If you require exact precision, you can display up to 15 digits of the number. If you found this tutorial helpful, please show your support by liking this video and checking out other tutorials offered by Sheet Leveler. Not familiar with Sheet Leveler yet? We'd be delighted to have you join our online family. Just hit that subscribe button and you'll be all set. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon in the next tutorial.